guys, just want to go through an extra bit. So once you know, we went through earlier, we went through from the daily 4 hour, 30 minute, and then looking for stuff on the 30 minute, showing you how I with the targets, showing you where I get the targets from the daily, showing what you're looking for, breaker structures and stuff. So what I want to do is show you how I mark up the day for the day trading, what you look for on for the 30 minute. Just want to show you how I get it and how I mark it up. I did do this on a previous video, did it for the 30 minute, drop it down to 5, but I just want to show you how I mark the daily up for the previous day and for today, where we're going to trade the next day. Okay, so how I mark it up the night before. All right, just want to show you that now quickly. So just on this one here, we've got the previous high and the previous low. Then it came up back up here and then it broke structure. So this low here was broken by this high. So this is now the new low. Okay, this high broke this low. So this is now my range here. Okay, new high, new low. Now we're looking for a pullback. Okay, because we're trending down. Now we're looking for a pullback. 7 to 7. That's my target. There's my other target, which we explained before, and then we drop down to the 30 minute. So we've marked all the charts up. We've got that each day. Now we've marked the charts up. We can just go daily and work it out from that, and then see if it breaks structure on the bigger time frame. To what you're going to look for the next one. You're either going to put a trade in or not. Because if it broke structure, then you're looking for a pullback, and it could go up further up. So then you look for a bigger time frame, on a bigger time frame, looking for 72 fibs, that gives you targets again. Sorry, 71 fibs. Then you're looking for your targets again, and then you start over again. But you need to mark your day up for that day trade, for that 30 minute. I mean, that one might come in a couple of days, but I just want to show you what I mean, okay? So once we got here, we jump down to the 30 minute. Sorry, wrong. I need to show you first. So we go to the day. Okay, I'm going to take these off, how I do it, right? So I just want to take these off quickly. Right, let me just take these off. Should have took them off earlier, but I just want to show you anyway. Right, okay. So we do two horizontal lines, okay, on the previous day, because this is Sunday, so this is what happened on Friday. One of the close, okay, one of the open, one of the close, okay. And then we do two vertical lines, okay, one for the previous day, and we change that to black, okay, and then we change one, we put another one here for the next day, okay, because it's before a certain time, it's before 10 o'clock, okay. So once we've got that now, and we know what we're doing, we're breaking structure here, it's pushing down on the daily, it's filled in balance here, filled in balance here, on that, it's got a bit of balance, it's just filled it. So now we're looking to break structure. Now to prove this is going to go back down, I need it to break structure here. So I've marked the breaker structure. Look, need to see breaker structure here first before I do anything. So we jump down to the 30 minute. Okay, now as you can see, we need to change this line, sorry, we change it to green. Forgot to do that. Okay, so this is what we're going to be looking at after this. This is going to be, all this area is going to be the start of the next tomorrow, which is about half an hour's time. So this will be get filled up here. So what we're looking for, to me, yes, it's broke structure here. Okay, this is going to drop down. At the moment, this is the previous high. Okay, it's tapped in and it's then dropping. Now it could, I reckon, it will drop further. It will then take this one out. It'll get a nice little. That would have been a nice trade on the 30 minute, and I think it'll drop down here and pull back up. So we're marking balance, fair value gaps. Here's a fair value gap that I marked earlier. Fair value gap, yeah, that's a 30 minute fair value gap, okay. So all we do is mark all them. Now we've got some little fair value gaps up here, okay, and you've probably got some liquidity up here as well. You've got that's been filled there. So basically just do that. So all you're doing is working out what you're going to do in the 30 minute, okay, and that's all you're doing. So you've got your daily, you've got your 4 hours, and you're working out where the targets are, and then you're setting for them targets. Now, obviously, I line this up with impulse, so I need impulse for the 30-minute to the daily to be lined. Now, at the moment, it is saying down, but it could change. Now, before I put a trade on, I just check and make sure impulse is basically aligned with it, and that's me good. But first thing I need to do, I need to see breaker structure here, push back up, fill this imbalance, and then drop. Now, do I put it on here for the high, or do I put it down, and then, or do I put it here for the high? I'll have to have a look at it and see what the score is. I'll have to find out. I'll have to work it out from there. To me, it hasn't broken balance, hasn't broke structure. This could be the high that broke structure. So it's either here. We'll have to work it out from there when it comes to it. Probably going to go for this one here. Because technically this could still be the range here, so I'll have to have a look at that when it comes to it and then make a decision. Everyone sees things different, so yeah, we'll go from that. That'll be my range there. Okay, so we'll see what happens from there, and I'll make a decision. There might not be much in it. Just for instance, I'll just show you now quickly. See if it was there, right? And say it went to there. Right, there's your 71. There, and then say if I went to there, but then I dropped it down to there, 71, and then one would be there. So there isn't that much difference between them, so we'll have to work it out from there. Just take it off. Go from that. We'll work it out from there. And, yeah, but it could be, you know, getting in the trade, not getting in the trade. So yeah, that's all I do. So if you get what I'm trying to say, it's just looking at the bigger picture and then working out what it's going to do. Like I said, impulse will tell me, like I said, I'm looking for this to push down now, as long as it breaks structure there, and then just keep pushing down. And then all I do then is just keep marking breaker structures. That breaker structure there, breaker structure. This is internal for the 4 hour, but I know what I do is ride the 30-minute all the way down like this, and that's it. So my target area for that will be here. So it's good to know your target areas. Once you know your target areas, then you can work it from there. Hope that makes sense, guys. But like I said, that's how I mark out for my day trading from that, and then obviously line with impulse. If impulse is saying it's going down, then I'm looking for sells. If they say it's going up, then I probably won't even look at it, because for me this is going down. So I'll probably just leave it, because we'll see. We'll have to have a look for it there and see what else I can see. Maybe get a little, but at the moment this is going down from me, and if it carries on, breaker structures and stuff, yeah. But we need to let the chart tell us what it's going to do, not we tell it today. So yeah. Hope that was the video. Please like and share. Please subscribe. Much appreciated. Thank you very much. Take care. Good night. Bye.